of the earth, let it bleed from the core. I'll be tearing down the walls you've been building for war. No shelter, no savior, just the cracks in the stone. Every empire falls when the fall lights grow. I don't want to be your call. I was built to wreck bones. Every root I've ever grows. Or the dirt out of my hose. 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 Unleash a fucking force of decay. Tear the heavens open, let the ash find your way. You can beg for mercy, but the ground won't care. I'm the crack in the earth, screaming I'll be there. I'm drowned in the flood, I was born to command. Till the heavens open, let the ash find your way. You can beg for mercy, but the ground won't care. I'm the crack in the earth, screaming I'll be there. I'm drowned in the flood of the earth, let it bleed from the core. I'll be tearing down the walls you've been building for war. No shelter, no savior, just the cracks in the stone. Every empire falls when the fall lights glow. When the crowd's torn bare and the dust drifts thick, you'll remember my name, carved deep in your skin. I'm the ruin of the rage, the relentless sin. Violent nature, and I don't fucking bend.